your courtship years in calming down and understanding each other and seeing each other for who each other is. Whatever faults you find, you must ask yourself, can I live with this all the days of my life? If it's something that you cannot live with, don't manage it. That person is not for you. So, as I said, time of courtship is a time to get to know each other and see whether you can live together. The truth of the matter is this: the entertainment industry, particularly Nollywood, is not unified in the support of any candidate. If you see any actor, any actress, any film producer, whoever they are, whichever political candidate they endorse, is their personal conviction. It's just they do not represent Nollywood. It's their personal conviction. But I am praying and I am hoping that as role models, they will choose and do the right things, because everybody is watching and the youth of this country will not forget. If they make wrong choices, the youths of this country will not forget. If they make the right choices, the youths, the future of this country, they will not forget. So I urge all my colleagues to put aside unnecessary sentiments and look at how they can make Nigeria better. Nigeria needs to be better. Nollywood cannot go higher than its ability to tell stories. The more we learn how to tell stories, the better will be our movies. We cannot run away from it. I've always said it, and I now believe that telling stories for the screen is the weak link in Nollywood. We must learn how to do it. Nollywood is not a film-making industry. Nollywood is a storytelling industry. We must go back to learn the fundamentals of storytelling. We cannot wing it. We cannot reinvent the wheel. We must go and learn how to do screenplay writing properly so that we can catch up with the rest of the world. The competition is already here. The competition is already on our phone. The competition is already in our bedroom. There's nowhere to hide. Nollywood is no more a novelty. The competition is here. The big boys all over the world, they are here. So we must go and learn the fundamentals. The work of a producer is not to put together what's it called, the camera, cast, and the rest of it. No, that's not the work of a producer. The number one work of a producer is to look for the next story. The next story. The next story. That's his work. And a producer must know what a good story is, what a good script is. So we must go back and learn. Those who take the buying decision to buy scripts, they must be knowledgeable in screenplay writing, even if they are not writing it themselves. That's my advice. I'm a very proud man. All my friends call me grandpa, you know. I'm a very proud man. It's my first son. It has been a battle to bring him up. Battle in the sense that bring your first, that boy suffer for my hand. Bring your first experiment, you want to get it right. Sometimes you overdo things, sometimes you underdo them. But by and large, we can see today that my son turned out right. And I'm very, very happy. Very, very happy about it. I'm grateful to God about it.
Okay, before you go finally, what are the challenges of putting this together? Because everywhere is still down.
For example, I had Colonel Dofia to help me. He has been my friend for maybe as long as my career in the industry. You know, he has been a fantastic guy. You know, he has always been there. And then my friends, they have been supportive. Government College Ojo, you know, my Nollywood friend, everybody is here. Everybody is here. Even those that did not remember, that I thought that if they catch me, they will beat me. They all turned up. When they heard that I Femi, they knew that it must have, you know, slipped my mind, you know. Maybe I couldn't reach everybody. And they turned up, and I'm very, very happy. Very, very happy. You know, it's good to be good, and to be honest, and to have integrity, and to have credibility. When I see some of my friends here, I said they are here because they know me. I'm happy. I pray that the Lord will help them. I pray that God will make them friends of each other, because when love fails, friendship will remain. I pray that they will help each other. I pray that they will have they will work together towards a common purpose. God forbid that wife goes this way in her way of thinking and husband goes this way in his way of thinking. That marriage will end. But if they go together, I pray that God will help them. I pray that the way God knows how to help a man, God will help them. In Jesus' name.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Mr. Femi, before you go,
nítorí Durojaiye, nítorí Mrs. Pẹ́pẹ́yẹ, àwọn tí Durojaiye, òun ni mo fẹ́ jẹ, òun ni mo fẹ́ jẹ. Àwọn ọmọ mi kọ́.
My name is Tabitha, and we're right here at Mr. Femi Durojaiye's son's wedding. I tell you, we're having a very good time right here. And you know, Femi Durojaiye is somebody I've known over the years. He's a very wonderful personality. And trust me, you can see a whole lot of people around who are right here to support him simply because, you know, he's someone to be reckoned with. We're having a good time and the couples are enjoying themselves. Thank you.